How to download and install DeepSeek AI. Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Guide Genie. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install DeepSeek AI. Now let's get started. First, you have to open the Play Store for Android or the App Store for iPhone. Tap the search icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Now the search bar will appear at the top of your screen. In the search bar that appears, type DeepSeek and click on the word when it appears. Now look for the app icon, which looks like a blue and white whale, and click on it. Next, tap the Install button and wait for it to download and install automatically. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. Read the terms of use and privacy policy and click Agree. On the new screen that appears, you will see Login or Sign Up. You will also see an option to confirm to the terms of service and privacy policy again. Tap the empty circle to acknowledge same. Next, click Sign In with Google. Since you are creating a new account, on the window that appears, tap on the Google account you want to use. You should now be logged in automatically. If not, follow whatever other instructions are there. Once you're logged in, this is what the main app interface looks like. If you've used other AI assistant apps like ChatGPT, this will look familiar to you. The app itself is fairly simple and only has a few different options. Let's go through them together. How to chat with DeepSeek. You can begin a chat with DeepSeek by typing a message in the text box at the bottom. You can ask DeepSeek pretty much anything you need an answer to. Using the icons below each reply from DeepSeek, you can copy the text from that reply to your clipboard. Repeat the same prompt to get another response. Give feedback on its response by giving a thumbs up or thumbs down. How to use DeepSeek R1. If you're looking to get an answer to a more complicated or nuanced question, you can tap the Deep Think button at the bottom. This enables DeepSeek R1, which is an AI reasoning model. Using this will allow DeepSeek's AI to do more advanced thinking and reasoning to answer your questions. A similar model offered by OpenAI costs $200 a month, but DeepSeek R1 is currently available for free. You can even see DeepSeek's thought process before it provides the answer. If you prefer, you can scroll up and minimize the thinking section to see how long it took before your answer was given. How to enable DeepSeek web search. If you want DeepSeek to use internet search results to help with answering your questions, tap the search option at the bottom. This will allow DeepSeek to fetch the most relevant and up-to-date information. How to start new DeepSeek chats and find old chats. To start a new chat with DeepSeek about a different topic, tap the new chat icon in the top right corner. If you tap the menu icon in the top left corner, you'll see a list of all your past chats with DeepSeek. You can tap any of these to return to the conversation and continue chatting about that subject. How to upload images and documents to DeepSeek Chat. If you tap the plus sign at the bottom, you'll see options to take a photo, upload a photo from your device, or import a document. You can use these tools to have DeepSeek AI analyze images or documents related to your inquiries. Maybe you'd like help writing an essay or need feedback on a logo design. DeepSeek can assist with that. That covers all the basics of using DeepSeek AI. If you're interested in trying out other AI assistant apps, check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I